The Tamil Nadu government has stopped public worship at all places on Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays during the festive season as part of corona containment. But the BJP took to the streets demanding these restrictions be lifted, with the daily tally hovering around 1,500. The state government is citing a centre's advisory to restrict large gatherings.
There is nothing about the ideology here. The BJP, I think, has got its priorities wrong. The Tamil Nadu government is merely acting on the advisories sent by the central government, the union government, the BJP government. If they are so aggrieved by all this, probably they should protest against the circulars of the union BJP government. I don't know why they're not doing that.
The BJP says if schools and colleges, cinema theatres and even liquor shops are allowed to function, why not worship places?
See, schools, whatever places that are open, they are subject to restrictions. Similarly, the places of worship also, there are some restrictions. There is no total moratorium or there is no total closure of all these places. Restrictions. Eventually, when the situation improves, the restrictions will be eased out on all sectors, and these sectors also. And the BJP again is trying to they want to take up issues which are communal. They don't want to take up issues which pertains to the welfare of the people.
DMK imposing its ideology, it's what they call as atheist ideology.
No, DMK is not atheist. See, DMK is a party which has embraced the concept of God. Our great leader, Perarinyar Anna, 60 years back, said that there is Vandre Kulam Oruvane Devan. There is a God, there is one God. We trust.
In Chennai with Suresh, Sam Daniel. Fine. Sir, what are your key demands?
The key demand is very simple, sir. When BJP as a party, we are with the state government for opening of schools. Despite the fact children below 18 years are not vaccinated. The only reason is we don't want school children to be at home for an extended period of time. When the state government has made a decision to open the cinema theatres also, what stops it from closing the temples on Friday, Saturday and Sunday? The crowd that is going to a temple is more on Thursday, is more on Monday. That is a high-risk corona case. So the government is trying to push its ideology in the name of corona control to all the Hindu temples, to the mosque as well as to the church. If they don't do it, after 10 days, we'll make sure this government will become non-functioning because of the people's support and people's voice we have for our next round of protest.
It's also true the central government in its advisory has warned states that large gatherings in worship places could turn into super spreaders. State government says they're only following the guidelines.
Agree with your point, sir. The central government has issued an advisory circular banning large gathering. Large gathering, because of their foolish decision on banning it on Friday, Saturday and Sunday, the large gathering happens on Thursday and Monday morning. The government can always put a restrictive practice, an SOP. How many people should be allowed, temperature check and everything. Banning the temple on weekends, what logic does it serve? When you have cinema theatres open on weekends, when you have schools where you are putting our children at risk below 18 years, this is our only request.